lovely fans. Today we are going in the forest for exploring and bones. Okay, so we can't go quite yet, but because it's really overgrown here, I'll show you guys. Here is where we were supposed to go, but it's, as you can see, it's really overgrown. There's probably poison ivy there. There's also a trail up here, but it's also overgrown. Here, I'll show you. Nice little tree. Hello, trees. More pine cones. You gotta be careful with them. We'll do a little ASMR stuff in one now. Go into our neighbor's yard, which they allow, so don't worry. This is where we were planning to go through, like right there. But as you can see, it's really overgrown, so we can't trim it because that's their yard, not ours. Just granted. Gosh. Yes. Okay. I know that they're itchy. What's going to be troubling is trying to get back through that. Oh gosh, I see so many mushrooms on that. Hold on. I've probably just trapped myself. Very pretty. Almost there, just going. Ow. That's a sticker brush. Whee! Yay! Unfortunately, a piece of the mesh came off my mask, but look at how pretty this is. It's very pretty. Very pretty here. That's the creek, and then I see it right here. Look at this. So pretty. Wow. Very, very pretty. I don't know what I did that. A pond up here I want to show you guys, but I don't want to go too far because that's back to where I came in from. I forgot to wear bug spray too. So I can't be out here too long, otherwise I will get eaten alive. Oh cool, I'm bleeding on my foot. Unfortunately, I don't think I'm gonna go deep enough to look for bones, but I am still exploring. Okay, this is as far as we can go, guys. I walked through poison ivy. Really itchy. Guys, I'm gonna have to end this video because I am hungry and it is dinner time. So, if you enjoyed the video, bye! Ow, ow, sticker. Happy, how have you buried all your children? Tell me so I say.